is Isaac Turner, and this is my 1995 Chevy G20 van, and I finally got around to make it a van tour, and we're gonna hop through it right now. Okay, so first things first, you never want to hop up in here with muddy old boots. So you just do a little click like this, and then we usually set them right here, and then hop in. Okay, so I cedar paneled the roof, the walls, and then we got a little sink galley here, and there's polyiso insulation under there, and then we wired the whole thing up. So I've got my inverter here that I have batteries charging on, and obviously I have storage under the bed. I have an extension cord that runs over here. I got outlets and USB, stuff like that. Got a little mat. This is the bed. It's a full-size bed. I originally made these shelves, and these shelves are tapped into the ribs of the van, which they weren't at first, and the wall was coming off, so that was a bad move. So it was plywood, and then we used cedar and wrapped it around it to kind of match it. And this is food storage here. This is our sink area, and we have, you know, our toothbrush and stuff here. This is a cool little mirror. Don't judge me, I didn't put doors there, but next one I will. We keep our dishes and stuff like that here. Wet wipes, van life hack, yo, because you don't always get a shower. Quick little wet wipe, you're good. Also, yo, click and stick floor, guess what? You ain't busting out a mop to clean that. So you get a nice little broom like this, sweep it out like that, use a wet wipe, boom, van life mopping, just so you know. Oh, other thing you should take note of, you see these little things right here? I put little eye hooks and twine all over. One of the best things I ever did, because when you're at the hot springs, you need to hang up your towel to dry it out, boom. You got wet clothes, you hang it up there, boom. You can also hang your gloves and check this out. Hats, things like that all over. Boom. We got little pictures. And then we got our little twine lights all over. So my clothes is kept here. Oh yeah, and you want warm blankets, because we have a little Mr. Buddy heater here, but that's a propane heater, and that can kill you supposedly if you leave it on overnight. So we only use that to heat up, like right when we get up in the morning and stuff like that. And then we're always venting it, and we have a roof vent over here. So if you check this out, it's a little max air. You can change the speed on it, things like that. Crack the windows up there, circulates. You're not keeping carbon monoxide in your van. All right. So we got a sink. Now, this is the sink area. We brush our teeth here, and it also doubles as a desk. So I got this little kick-out table stand here. We have a 7-gallon water tank system. So I've got a foot pump that takes water out of the clean tank, and it pumps pretty good. And then it drains into this gray tank, and you just pop this out, dump it, and then you just, you know, hit up a truck stop or something, and then fill up your clean tank. That whole setup wasn't that hard to put in, actually, and everything in here is always mounted down with little L brackets into the floor. We cook. We got a little single burner. I'll show you. Oh yeah, this is another little van hack. So I don't have a Sprinter van. I'm not rich, and I don't got a trust fund. Okay, your boy built this off of retail money. You know what I'm saying? So can't stand up, kind of sucks. But I got this little knee pad right here. Check it out. Boom. Now I'm all comfortable, yo. When I'm brushing my teeth, when I'm making food, don't matter. You know what I'm saying? So check this out. Got me a little single burner. If you want to cook, things like that. Boom. Pop this out. I mean, it's like instant flame. Single burner, easy. We had a microwave, but it was destroying my destroying my power. So come over here and check this out. We got safety features. Number one, when you're having bad dreams, that's what the dream catcher's for. It catches them, keeps them all away, keeps you gangster, right? Carbon monoxide detector. So I obviously run a propane heater. Not sure if it's a great move, but I do, is what it is, right? That thing will start beeping and if I'm gonna die. And then I got my lights on the dimmer switch right here. So if you look, I can turn them on. I can adjust the brightness, things like that. So if you see these clips up here, if I want a little privacy, I got a little curtain that I keep down here, and I can throw it up. It's got magnets that hold up to the side, and it clips. Clips like that all the way across. It actually keeps the warmth in pretty well, because a lot of stuff comes in through that glass, and then nobody can see you and be like, is that fool chilling in the van right now or what? So I'll take you around to the back, show you some other stuff. Alright, so follow me. Alright, so I made a few mistakes when I made this van, alright? So I obviously cedar paneled the whole thing. Oh yeah, you can see this. Oh yeah, and let me show you my little window blind design, right? So everybody just puts Reflectix in their window, right, to keep the heat, right? And then I just took Reflectix tape, I wrapped some little material on it to make it a little nicer looking. Just taped it over, and then I made these little tabs that I taped in with magnets. And then if you see, it just pushes in. I've never had a problem. It just seals it in. They don't fall out because I just cut them and they were just falling out. I don't know. So I didn't know how to make these inserts, and there's nothing on the internet. What's up? So anyways, I was gonna panel all the way back. I didn't because I wanted to be able to get to the lights back here for mechanical issues, which I realize you can actually take the light out from the outside of the van, so you know, messed up. So I made these little magnet inserts, kind of cover that up. It just pops in there like that. This is my dirty clothes. I get a shower, boom, throw them in here. And I keep my clean clothes up there, cycle it out. I need to do laundry about once every 7 days. Camera, clothes, things like that. Tripod, skateboards. There's actually a lot of storage underneath that bed, and I purposely didn't put like center beams because I wanted all that storage. Because when you got a van, you only got so much storage. And the electrical system is kind of janky, but it's over here. I have a lithium ion battery. It's only one battery. I see people with 1 million batteries, and I honestly don't think it's necessary. That one lithium ion battery rocks out my lights. Oh, I'll show you the fridge. I forgot to show you that. I have a fridge up there. I mean, I've charged drones, I've charged cameras, and I have never ran out of power with one battery. So do you need 4 of them? I don't know. I guess it depends on what you're doing, but I haven't needed it yet. So let me hop up here, I'll show you the fridge. I don't want to get my feet all dirty in here, but this is basically a 12-volt truck fridge. This is like an Edge Star 43 quart, whatever, right? And I'm running it actually on AC now because I feel like it's more, I don't know, it can run on either, right? Which I have a 12-volt plug over there, but I have that actually hooked into the outlet I put there. And that's pretty much my van. I got everything. I got running water, electricity, power, circulation. And this thing's brought me on a whole lot of adventures. So that's my van. That's how I built it. I'm already looking for another one, to build another one, because I learned a lot doing this. If you have any questions about how to build yours or something I did, hit your boy up. Filipino Gorilla signing off. Yup.
Just one step in front of the other. Can't go backwards, got to move forward. Can't let words affect our mind's progress. We have got to go onward. Driving inspiration and fire. It's an action, not a desire. I want to be who